2018 is almost over, and it's time to prepare for what's coming in 2019. Don't you want to go into the new year fully equipped for the season and take hold of all that God has for you? Hi, I'm Dr. Peggy Mitchell-Clark, and if you're finally ready to commit to change and stop spinning your wheels, register for my Do Something Different for a Change workshop on Saturday, November 10th from 9 to 1. You must register for the workshop, and your registration includes a free copy of the 10th anniversary edition of my book, Do Something Different for a Change. Register online at cvtsonline.org/register now and gain effective strategies based on biblical principles and the latest scientific research on habit formation and personal transformation. Do something different for a change and register today.